In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Google Gemini app. So if you've been experiencing any problem with your app, maybe your app can't open or Google Gemini app keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix these errors and get your app running without any issue. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to troubleshoot this app. In the first method, we need to access the app information page. And for this, I'll go to settings. So I'll go ahead and look for settings. And here's my settings and I'll tap on it. Once you tap on your settings, now you can scroll down and you will see we have the option called apps here. From apps, go ahead and look for the option called manage apps. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you see your app, and as you can see, mine is here. So for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Once you have located your app, you can open it. Otherwise, if you can't find your app, you can as well search using the search app option here. From here, proceed and tap on it to open, and then we want to go ahead and clear the app data. If you go ahead and clear data here, I'm most interested in clearing the app cache data. Now, if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have some data that are available. Currently, I don't have cache data, but for your case, check if you have any cache data, and then go ahead and tap on clear and then tap on cache, and then restart your smartphone, and this should have fixed your problem. However, if that didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear all the app data by tapping on clear data and then OK, and that should have now fixed your problem. However, if that didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and look for any update if it is available on Google Play Store. For that, I'll go back and look for the app through Google Play Store, and here's my Google Gemini. From here, check for any update if it is available, and then update this app to the latest version. Now, by updating your app to the latest version, you'll be able to fix bugs and also security issues, as well as get the latest features that comes with Google Gemini. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.